Those who have joined, please comment so that I can proceed with the class. Yes, Harshita, good afternoon. Valina, good afternoon. Kankana, good afternoon. Pastor, good afternoon. Yes, Parni, good afternoon. Today we are going to start exercise 4.2's number 3. Okay, so let us see them. So, question number 1's number 3 says that what is the question? The given quadratic equation is quadratic equation is what is the quadratic equation? Board is clear, everyone? Root over 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So I told you, you have to see the constant term. What is the constant term? 5 root 2. And what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. And 5 into 2 is 10. So we have to add the factor of 10 to get 7. 10, 2 into 5 is 10 and 2 plus 5 is 7. So we got the factor, which one added gives you 7. So root 2 x square, 2 plus 5 into x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So now the middle term has been splitted. Root 2 x square, 2 into x is 2x, 5 into x is 5x plus 5 root 2. Now here you know 2 root 2 যদি square করা থাকে তোমাদের কি পাবা 2 পাবা. So here you can see the term has 2. So that means you can take root 2 common আর এটা root 2 থাকি যাবে. So root 2x we have taken common, here remains is x and here root 2. From the second, third and fourth term we can take 5 common, x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So x plus root 2 overall we got the common and root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Then we got two factors. This into this is equal to 0. So either x plus root 2 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to minus root 2, or minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. Got it, all of you? Is there any doubt? Okay. Let's move to number 4 then. 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. No, no, this is not the question, sorry. 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Now you can see the constant term is a fraction. So what you will do, you will take denominator, LCM of the denominator is 8. So 2x square into 8 minus x into 8, because yeah, yes, the denominator 1, here denominator was 1, now it became 8. Okay, is equal to 0. So 2 into x square is 2, 2 into 8 is 16, and here plus 1 will also remain. Okay, because third term got numerator 1. 8 into 2 is 16, 16x square minus 8x plus 1. This 8 is getting divided, the other side it will be multiplied. Now, what is the constant term? Constant term is 1, and what is the coefficient of x square? It is 16. So 1 into 16 is 16. 16 or factor of add kori, what we need to find? We need to get 8. So 16, 4 into 4 is 16, and 4 plus 4 is 8. So we got it. 4 plus 4, 4 into x is 4x. 4x has been taken as common. Here 4x remains, here minus 1 remains. So now the first, here 4x is negative. If I take minus 1 common, it will become positive and minus 1. So 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So either 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Which implies 4x is equal to 1. This is, any doubt, anyone? Anything to ask anyone? Okay. Let's see number 5 then. The given quadratic equation is 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. So constant term is 1 and coefficient of x square is 100. So 1 multiplied will give you 100. Now factor of 100, we need to break 100 into factors and have to add 2 factors to get 20. So 100 is obtained as 10 into 10, and 10 plus 10 will give me 100 pound. All of you, how to split, how to see the factor, did you get the concept? কেনেকে তোমালোকে ফ্যাক্টর চাবা, সবতকে প্ৰথম কনস্টেন্ট টার্ম চাবা আৰু কোএফিচিয়েন্ট অফ এক্স স্কয়াৰ চাবা। যদি 1 আছে হেতু তোমালোকে কনসিডার কৰিবা, সো দ্যাট ইট উইল মেক ইউৰ হ্যাবিট। যদি তোমালোকে এই কোএফিচিয়েন্ট অফ এক্স স্কয়াৰ কনসিডার নকৰা, 1 ক চাই পেলাই এৰি দিবা এন্ড মিস্টেক কৰিবা তাৰ পিছত। So 20 will break as 10 plus 10. Why we have added? Because constant term is got positive sign. Okay. So 10 into x is 10x plus minus minus plus 1 is equal to 0. 10 into x is 10x, 10x minus 1 minus taken common. 10x here positive 1 will become negative 1 because we have taken minus common. Jitya minus common level sign will alter. Okay. So overall 10x minus 1 has been taken common here. 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. So either 10x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. Which implies 10x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 10. 1 taken that side, it become plus 1, 1 by 10. So this is how we got the roots of the, therefore at the end you will write therefore the required roots are 1 by 10 comma 1 by 10. Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. Let's see number 6 then. 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. In the book, is equal to 0 is not printed. Write is equal to 0. Okay. So is equal to 0 to banai lova because it is a quadratic equation. There is a printing mistake. Now, constant term is 6 and coefficient of x square is 2. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 can go 1 into 12 kodile, 2 into 6 kodile, 3 into 4. Now we need to add the factor of 12 to get what? 7. So 3 plus 4 kodile have 7 pounds. So this is how we will split the middle term. 4 plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. 5x square 4 into x is 4x plus minus minus 3 into x is 3x plus minus minus plus 6 is equal to 0. From this 2 term twice x can be taken common. Here remains x, here remains 2. From this 2, 3 remains common. Either x minus 2 is equal to 0 or twice x minus 3 is equal to 0. So, यदि ये to 0 होगा x is equal to 3 and twice x is equal to 3 which implies x is equal to 3 by 2. Any doubt? Okay. Let's see number 7 then. Number 7 also there is a printing mistake is equal to 0 दिया नहीं तुम लोग के लो ही लो x square minus 10x minus 96 is equal to 0. 96 or factor. Okay. So we can know 16 into 6 correlate keep on 96 power 16 minus 6 correlate 10. I have done it directly. If anyone has any issue, they can go with factorization. Okay. So it will be x square 16 minus 6 into x minus 96 is equal to 0. So which implies x square minus 16 into x is 16x minus minus plus 6x minus 96 is equal to 0. X remains here x minus 16 plus 6 remains here x minus 16 is equal to 0. So x minus 16 and x plus 6 is equal to 0. So here either x minus 16 is equal to 0 or x plus 6 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to 16 and x is equal to minus 6. Got it, all of you? Got it, all of you? Okay, let's move to number 8. Number 8 is root over 3 x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0. So now what is the constant term? Constant term is 7 root 3. Coefficient of x square is root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 10. 3, 7 into 3 is 21. And we need to find the factor of what? 21 and add them to get what? 21. Sorry, to get 10. So 3 plus 7 korile আমি কি মান পাম? 10 পাম. We got it directly. Okay. So now we can do it. So which implies, so I can write 3 plus 7. Why I have written 3 plus 7? Because এই root 3 আর 3 पर কিবা common লব পাৰি. 7 plus 3 লিখলেও wrong নহয়, but confusion create হ'ব চাগে তোমালোকৰ, সেইকাৰণে 3 plus 7 লিখিলো. 7 root 3 is equal to 0. Root 3 x square plus 3 into x is 5x, 7 into x is 7x plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0. Now we have to take something common from the first two term, isn't it? So from the first two term আমি কি লব পারো? Root 3 common লব পারো, x or lowest power common লব পারো. So remains here is x plus 3, and from the second two term 7 can be taken common, x plus, here it will be root 3, okay? Because root 3 we have taken common, so 3 can क्या होगा? Root 3 into root 3. So overall x plus root 3 and root 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. So either, so minus 7 by root 3. Therefore, we will require rules are doubt. Let's move to number 9 then. The given quadratic equation is, what is the equation? X square minus 2 root 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. So now I can write x as x whole square, 2 as root 2 whole square. Okay, minus 2 into x into root 2. So it is a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square is equal to 0. So I can write a minus b whole square is equal to 0, since a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So now whole square মানে কি দুবার multiply হয়েছে, and why I have written in the product form? Because the question asks you to factorize. So factorize with factors or form of লিখিব লাগিব. Either x minus root 3 is equal to 0 or x minus root 2 is equal to 0. So which implies x is equal to root 2, which implies x is equal to root 2. Any doubt, anyone? Anything to ask? Okay, let's move to number 10 then. Number 10 is 14x plus 5 minus thrice x square is equal to 0. Okay, so minus take, we have taken minus common, so it became thrice x square minus 14x. The term which are positive will become negative and the term which are negative will become positive. So minus 5 is equal to 0. This became positive, this became negative, and this was positive, so it became negative. So now minus 3x square minus 14x minus 5 is equal to, here what is there? Minus 1. That's why the minus sign is, so I have taken that minus 1, the side it is divided. Clear? Any problem with this step here? My minus 1 to এফালে লৈ আহিলো সেইফালে multiply হৈছিলে, this side it will be divided. Any problem? So now constant term is 3 and this one coefficient of x square is 3. Constant term is 5 and coefficient of x square is 3. So 5 into 3 is 15. 15 or factor 1 into 15. Now you have to subtract the factor of 15 to get what? 14. So 15 minus 1 will have given from 14 come. So which implies thrice x square minus 15 minus 1 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. So thrice x square minus 15 into x is 15x minus minus plus 1 into x is x minus 5 is equal to 0. So here thrice x can be taken common, x minus 5 here plus 1 has been taken common, x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x minus 5 overall has been taken common, thrice x plus 1 is equal to 0. Is equal to minus 1, which implies x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Any doubt? This is just normal factorization. Okay. Do you have any doubt? Anyone anything to ask? No. Okay. 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 Let's move to question number 3 then. Question number 3 says the find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is, find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Okay. So we will write, let one number be x given sum of two numbers sum of two numbers is equal to 27. যদি তোমাক এনেকে কৈ দিয়ে দুটা নম্বৰক এড কৰি তোমালোকে 19 পাবা আৰু one number is 5. So to find this unknown number will be what? 19 minus 5, Summer para one number minus kori de. Did you get this point? Everyone. Suppose sum of two number is given and you know one number is 5. So other number 5 plus something is equal to 19. So that something means 19 minus 5, isn't it? So therefore what can I write? Other number is equal to 27 minus x. Is there any doubt with this? By the question, product of the numbers is equal to 182, isn't it? So product means x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. So x into 27 is 27x, x into x is x square is equal to 182. আমি সব নাম্বার ইকুয়ালে লই যাও, x square নেগেটিভ আছে ইকুয়ালে বলে পজিটিভ, 27x পজিটিভ আছে ইকুয়ালে বলে minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. Now we have to add the factor of what? 182 into 1. 182 into 1 is 182 only, 2 table of 91 times. 2 7 table of 13 times. So this 2 is 14. 14 plus 13 will give you 27. So got it? Got the factors, which implies x square 14 plus 13x plus 182 is equal to 0. So from this 2, x has been taken common, x minus 14 minus 13 has been taken common, x minus 14 is equal to 0. So overall what we got, x minus 14 into x minus 13 is equal to 0. Either x minus 14 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to plus 14, or x minus 13 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to plus 13. Okay, so we got the value of x as 14 or 13. Clear till here? So I can write, when x is 14, one number will be what? X, that is 14, and the other number will be what? Other number is 27 minus 14, that is 13. And when x is 13, one number is what? 13. Other number is equal to 27 minus 13, that is 14. Clear? Anything? Any doubt? Anyone anything to ask? Let's move to number 4 then. Find two consecutive positive integers whose sum of whose squares. Okay, দুটা consecutive positive integers উলিয়াব লাগে যার স্কোয়াৰৰ sum কৰিলে তোমালোকে কিমান পাবা? 365. So I will write, let the two consecutive positive integers be x, and the next one will be what? If it is consecutive, just one number hobo. So if first is x, the other one will be x plus 1. Okay, did you get? So by the question, x square plus x plus 1 square is equal to 365. মানে no, sum of the squares is 365, মানে x or square করলে x plus 1 or square করলে 365 পাবা. So x square here a plus b whole square, a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square 365 যদি a ফেলে যায় minus 365 is equal to 0. Okay, so x square plus twice x plus 1 minus 365 is equal to 0. So x square plus x square is 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. 2 has been taken common, x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. তিনটা term positive আছে, even আসলে, so I took 2 common so that calculation becomes little easier. X square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0 divided by 2. 182 is the constant term. What is the coefficient of x square is 1. 182 into 1 is 182 only. 182 factor উলিয়াব লাগে 13 into 14 কৰিলে তোমালোকে কি পাবা 182 পাবা আৰু 13 minus 14 minus 13 কৰিলে তোমালোকে কি পাবা 1 পাবা 14 minus 13 into x minus 182 is equal to 0. 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. So here x taken common, x plus 14, here minus 13 taken common, x plus 14 is equal to 0. So overall x plus 14 has been taken common, remains here is x minus, what remains here is minus 13 is equal to 0. Either x plus 14 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to minus 14. Is it possible? No. Question clearly दिया है positive integers. Therefore, or x minus 13 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to 13. So therefore, now integers की वो 13 and 13 plus 1, that is 14. These are the two positive integers. Any doubt, anyone? Okay. Let's see the next number then. Number 5. It is given that the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. It is given that altitude is 7 centimeter less than its base. So let us consider this right angle triangle. Its hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. It is given. Its hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. Find the other two sides. So যদি আমি base of x long, altitude is 7 less than its base. So altitude will be x minus 7, isn't it? So let the base be x centimeter. Therefore, altitude is equal to 7 centimeter, 7 less than its base, so x minus 7. Hypotenuse is given 13 centimeter. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem to establish the equation, quadratic equation. Condition একু দিয়া নাই. So আমি কি করিম? Quadratic equation এর formula use করি, হেৰি করিম. So by Pythagoras theorem, we get 13 square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to base square, that is x square plus altitude square. So 13 square is 169, x square plus a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. 7 into 2 is 14x plus 49. So now let me take this 49 also that side. 0 is equal to x plus x square is 2x square plus 49 minus 169. So twice x square minus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. So 2 can be taken common, x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now, is it okay? 2 will be divided that side. X square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0 divided by 2. Constant term is 60 and coefficient of x square is 1. So 60 factor will have go, and after subtracting the factor of 60, we need to get what? 7. 30 times 2, 15 times 3, 5 times. Okay. So 4 3 times 12, 12 minus 5 is 7. So x square 12 minus 5 into x minus 60 is equal to 0. X square minus 12x 5 into x is 5x minus minus plus 5. Got it? You need to be careful when there is a minus sign. Minus 60 is equal to 0. From the first two, x has been taken common, x minus 12 plus 5 has been taken common, x minus 12 is equal to 0. So overall x minus 12 is common, remains is x, here plus 5 is equal to 0. So either, okay, clear till here? Any doubt? So I will write either x minus 12 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to 12, or x plus 5 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to minus 5. So minus 5 is not possible. Why? Base of a triangle cannot be negative. Therefore, base is equal to 12 centimeter, height is equal to 12 minus 5 centimeter, that is 7 centimeter. Here, anything else? Is there any doubt, anyone? Okay, then we will stop the class for today. If you have any doubt or anything to ask, you can comment, or else then we'll stop. Anything to ask anyone? Okay, thank you everyone then. See you on the Tuesday. Yes, Vailina, thank you. Kaustav, thank you. Kankana, thank you. Parni, thank you.